my God, my Shayla, my Shayla, this is all I got.
Sociales, muchos comentarios que se mete con mi amigo Ricardo, ¿vale? Que si es muy pesado, que si todo lo habla, que si no sé qué, y yo eso no lo voy a consentir, ¿vale?
See those days, I don't know why this has happened, but I probably deserve it. I tried to do my best, but you know that I'm not perfect. I've been praying.
You boys lowballed the shit out of your competition.
Yeah. By how much?
Millions.
Let's see which one of these geniuses is next. I got a Parker Peter.
My wrist doing front flips, giving you my number, but don't hit me.
Est-ce que vous auriez le